Hi everyone, this is a video of my recent trip with the hubby to an island in the Caribbean Sea called Aruba. Now I wasn't planning on making a video, but because I had so much fun and enjoyed the wildlife there, I thought I'd share my footage. Since the trip lasted for 13 days, I actually made 2 videos. I'll also leave some tips in case you want to visit Aruba in the near future. Links will be left in the description below. So just some background. Aruba is a fairly small island, about 20 miles long. We stayed at a hotel located in the western part of the island and right on Palm Beach. This is where we hung out most, as you'll see in the next clips. Recording you being lazy?
I can open my eyes.
I'm so sad I can't see the... Something keeps touching my leg. Something keeps tapping my ankle.
I'm working hard here.
Burned a whole 95 calories.
Yes, 95 calories all day. All day.
I'm at. Something keeps tapping me. 180. 179. Haha, more than you. I'm at 178.
I deserve that Texas to Brazil by sitting here.
Sure.
94 calories.
Sure. Ooh, something.
I'm working hard here.
Come to find out, it was fishes that were touching my feet in the water. Based on what I found on the internet, they were palometa and goatfish. Completely harmless. They looked like they were playing in the sand, so I would tap my feet in the sand too. They actually followed me around while I swam and showed up every single time I went swimming. I totally recommend bringing some sort of water camera since there's so much to capture in the water. Having just your phone isn't enough. The ocean in front of the hotel was very shallow, like 4 feet shallow. You can bring snorkeling gear, but to be honest, I never used any snorkeling gear to film the fishes. All I used was a GoPro on a lanyard and just dove in the water. Swimming was so much fun that we literally swam every day. I mean every day. Rain or shine, we were out there swimming. As I mentioned, Palm Beach has very shallow waters. These shallow waters go for several feet out into the ocean. With this, you will find a rope all across Palm Beach warning you of a no swimming zone. This is where a lot of boats mainly hang out and where people do the water sports. The hotel warned us that swimming out there is at our own risk. Oh, that's you? Yes. Yes. Just is how far we are from the hotel. We're in a no swimming zone. There were so many water sports to do that it was insane. We just decided to rent a jet ski for about 30 minutes. The company only accepted cash, so another tip, be sure to bring cash since credit cards aren't always accepted. Since the jet skis were located at another beach, the company took us there by boat. We didn't have a rental, so this actually worked out great. The boat ride took about 5 minutes. It was breathtakingly gorgeous since the water was such a pretty turquoise blue. We also got to see all the different hotels all along Palm Beach. Unfortunately, the next few clips are photos and not video. I wore a GoPro on my head, and so for some reason, it selected time-lapse photo instead of video when I hit the record button. I was pretty upset that it didn't record our 30-minute jet ski ride. At least it took photos, so it's better than nothing.